What are Tara and Jody doing today? Well, we're about to go on a big fall trip. We usually try to make one. Sometimes we plan it out, sometimes we just freestyle. This time we are going to freestyle. We're just going to try to find some wild camping and some free camping, and we'll pay if we see a cute campground or something like that, but we're going to play it by ear and go off. But that is not the video you're getting today. The video you're getting today is what we do to prepare our rooftop tent and truck and deck system and all the good things that we have for our trips.
All right, guys, so the last trip we're under a tree. It was raining, storming, so it got pretty messy, a lot of sap and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and set up the tent, clean it up, and wash all the pillows, wash all the blankets, wash everything that's inside. So vacuum it.
There were buggies. There was rain.
There
were walnuts.
A lot of spiders and different things.
So this is what we do. We do it a few times a year. As you know, almost everything we have stays in our truck, and we can really spontaneously go anywhere we want at any time. But this is the kind of maintenance, preparedness video that you need if you're trying to figure out what you need to do in order to rooftop tent in the wild. We're also going to be taking down our bedding and things and wash it because it was a messy trip last time, and we're going to be going on a long trip this time.
All right, stick this up here. So we're gonna set up the tent, and then actually gonna probably hose some stuff off. Let's check to see if there's any bugs still on it. Little spiders or whatever. That's part of camping, guys.
And by the way, just so you guys know, this is not a sponsored video by any way, shape, or form. Somebody made a comment about that, and I thought I'd clear that up for you. Not that we're opposed to being sponsored, but we would let you guys know.
All right, there's a spider up here.
You want to show us?
Whoops, I killed it.
Oh, oh!
So I might hose all this off on the outside here, and then set up the annex.
Let me know if you're gonna hit any spiders down, because I'm following you kind of with the camera.
All right, so I had to unzip the floor here, but yeah, this is a good way to clean up here. I haven't tried this before, but it does work. So I'm cleaning my sunroof so I can see my stars. I'm just using a damp cloth. I think you can use like mild car wash stuff, but I'm just using water. And now I'm cleaning the rain fly, the rest of the rain fly here. I think you can take the rain fly off, but I've never done it, or do I plan on it? Oops. Let's get in on the action over here. Around the seams here, it's pretty dirty. All right, I'm just giving a wipe under here because this is the ladder. Goes up here and it folds in there. Even though it has a cover we put over the feet, it still gets dirty. It's nice and pretty now.
Okay, we check this bin. We want to make sure we have enough wipes, we have paper towels, and that all our dishes are in here. And then periodically we do bring our dishes out and we go ahead and we wash them, because we wash them at camp, of course, with soap and water. If there's hot water, we definitely use the hot water there, or we might have to boil some in our Jetboil system. But sometimes it's good to just bring it all in and run it through the dishwasher. We haven't really been cooking that much at camp lately because in the summer heat it's kind of tough. So I think that everything looks okay. Everything's in here. It's not like we forgot or left anything behind. If you want to learn about all the items that are in here, we do have a whole video on our camp cooking bin. I think that might be what it's called. I don't know. You guys, I need to do better at researching the names of these videos if I'm going to mention them to you. But I did just remember that we do have a whole video on this, so you can look at it, whatever it's called. We usually check and make sure things are charged, that we have enough toilet paper. I guess toilet paper's here, so while you're here we can open that up. All right. Make sure there's enough toilet paper.
I got 2 rolls, so I think we're still good, right?
A partial one over here.
All right, 2 rolls of partial. Still got some coffee, some pancake mix,
sanitizer,
a couple of extra things of water, emergency supplies.
Yep.
Still got our bags of clothes. We didn't dig into them this time. All right, next thing I like to do is make sure all these lights are charged. One thing before we go camping all the time, I always want to make sure that I have a full charge in all my battery packs and my flashlight.
Because you use the battery packs to charge other things.
Yep,
so
flashlights.
It's important those are charged.
Yep, so we got our flashlights. See what the level is on here. This is to inflate our air mattresses. I have 2 of them, so still testing this one out, so I'll give you guys a review. All right, this is what we use to charge all our stuff. So a lot of times when we're leaving camp or driving to camp, I'll plug this into the truck since I have a 2,000 watt inverter built into the truck. And I have all my cables for the phones, the lights, the power packs. It doesn't have the name of it, but I'll put a link on it inside the description, so just go down below.
Something else we always check before trips is making sure our iPad is charged and that we've downloaded any movies just in case we're in an area where there's not good enough reception so that we have things to watch at night.
All right, guys, I'm gonna got all the pillows and sheets out. Now I'm gonna get the big blankets out, or our puffy blankets, I call them. These are our down comforters. They're huge. They're made for 2 people each, but we like to have our own.
We have our own bedding. And I'm going to go up top to the rooftop tent so that you guys can see what Jody is doing.
All right, I'm making the beds here, getting all the sheets off.
You mean you're unmaking all the beds?
Unmaking all the beds, getting everything ready, and then I'll come up here with a vacuum cleaner next and vacuum everything. Then I'm gonna close this back up and we're gonna hose the outside of the tent because I can see there's still bugs and stuff up on top here. All right, and then I'll go back up and grab the second load. All right, now we're gonna go vacuum in there. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to take these out. All right, I'm going to take these out. These will be easier to vacuum. That's why we don't take these out that often.
These are the sleeping mats.
There are 2 Expads. I'm going to take these out so we can vacuum these in the house.
Those are the inflatable Exped mattress pads, and they self-inflate, or you can buy something to inflate them. We kind of do both. Sometimes we self-inflate and sometimes we go ahead and use the inflation mechanism. What's it called, Jody?
The inflator.
The inflator. Otherwise known as inflation mechanism.
Trying to get in the crack here.
You're looking very romantic, so I had to come up and looking very supermodel. No, looking supermodel.
Trying to get in the cracks here. This is where it folds up.
Supermodel talking about cracks.
All right, so I'm gonna hose off all the dirt and I'm gonna go up there, hose up the top, and I'll set the rain fly back up.
Okay, this is one of the last things we're going to do is rinse it off. Please share with us what you do to prepare and maintain things between your camping trips. There's probably some things we forget to look at and take care of, so please add that to our comments. And please go ahead and like and subscribe.
Thank you for watching us. We're Tara and Jody Do It.
If you like watching our videos and you want to show us some support, you can go ahead and buy us a coffee to keep us warm in these cooler days. We're excited to be camping through the fall. We'll have lots of good videos coming up for you.